Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do manual sharing in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as we know, each object has some sharing settings and basically you can check for the sharing settings from the setup page. You can go to sharing settings and basically from there you can find all the sharing settings concerning all the objects. In our case, I'm just going as an example, see and check the leads one. So basically, you can also have your sharing rules that will be showing from here, and you can see which profile or public groups or which group that would be able to share with another group, etc. And basically, you can have some manual sharing if you would like, even if there is no sharing rules. And simply, you can go to the object that you would like or the record that you would like. And for example, we are going to access this lead. And from here, we will find all this view and these details, etc. But we want only to share this record. So simply, we need just to go to the quick action button. We click here and we will find sharing. So simply, you will need just to add the lead access, which would be either read only or also read and write. Means that the people that you share with this record, they can modify or add any other stuff in this lead. And basically after that, you will need just to add either a public group, role, user, or whatever you like. And then you will need just to search for the user or anything. You click on it and then you click on save and then you will be able to share this record. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.